Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Evolve One. I am Prachi Gar. Are you looking for a job or you lost your job due to COVID? If yes, you know how difficult it is to search for the job. So maybe I can help you with some extent as my this video will be on the topic on various job portals, how you can register and use these portals to get your job. You cannot just sit back and wait for the recruiters to come to you and give you a job opportunity. Definitely you have to apply for it, you have to search for it. So let's get started and see some of the portals in which you can register and find a job opportunity. Very first portal is Naukri.com. This is one of the largest portal that most of the people uses to scroll and to get the jobs. Lot of recruitment companies and high top companies also uses this portal to find the right fit for their organization. There are more than 4 lakhs of jobs that are posted in Naukri.com, and definitely a fresher or experienced professional can scroll the jobs and they can get the jobs according to their will. And also this is very user friendly software, very user friendly portal. You can scroll it, you can see that how easily you can get the details in this portal. You have to just search for what role you are seeing and you have to enter the location. If you're a new user, you can register for free. If you want, you can register for an experienced professional, or as a fresher, if you're graduated and you're looking for part-time job or maybe freelancing, you can just register as I'm a fresher and then you can proceed with it, and according to that they'll show the right match. So you can browse about the recruiters or about the company review. You can also see interview questions and you can prepare for that. Also company reviews, whatever company reviews are, what company salaries are according to their skills and everything. Also they have given you a tool for resume writing. If you don't have an appropriate tool and you don't know how to build your resume, definitely you can use these tools and you can build a good resume for yourself. Also you can do these courses and certifications to upgrade your skills. So this is how Naukri portal goes. They also have given you the choice about top colleges. If you can scroll, you can see that MBA top colleges in India, or maybe top MBA colleges in abroad, or also top engineering colleges, and also about the exams and everything. They have given details here. So I think this is one of the most used portal and one of the most convenient portal that anyone can use it. Next portal is Indeed.com. This is one of the most subtle website and its layout is very simple, and it's one of the largest website in world with 250 million users, and 10 new job posting every second is added in this portal. You can also apply for freelancing or maybe fashion designer, part-time jobs, any type of job you can apply here. In fact, you can see you can apply for online typing, for work from home, and also for NGOs if you want to apply. You can see this portal is very easy to work. So you just have to search your title, your job for which you're looking for, and your location, and you can find jobs according to it. Also they have given an option to see the company reviews, that for which company you are applying, what is the exact review of that company. And also they have given you to find the salaries, average salaries for which industry you are going, what is the average salary. According to that you can see and you can apply. A lot of companies opinions and also a lot of companies reviews and everything is given. What are the top companies that are paying to their employees have also mentioned in this portal. So definitely you can find these jobs in Indeed.com, and it is one of the most convenient and most used in outside India. Also people use Indeed.com and they have find a lot of jobs from this portal. Third portal is Shine.com. Shine.com is second largest portal in India, and not only they have mobile apps but also integrates the social media networks of the candidates to help employers find their ideal employees. You can see this is very easy to use and very user friendly portal to use. They have just added a new thing in their portal, that is career guidelines. They give you the guidelines according to for which you can find the right job, make a career change, improve your profile and progress your career. You can choose one of the option, and according to that maybe you can proceed. And when will go, you can register for free, and if you already have an account, definitely you can sign in. You just have to write your skill and search the job, the location for which you want to look for the job, and also the year of experience that you have, and according to that you can just submit it, and the options of jobs vacancies will definitely come. They have a lot of top companies that hire from shine.com, you can see that. Also they have 3.4 crores candidates, and also around 3 lakh jobs that are registered here, and also 15,000 plus companies find people from shine.com. So this is also one of the most easiest portal that you can use. Also they have a lot of services like e-learning. You can also do certifications and courses. You can also see how to write a resume, or maybe how to improve your LinkedIn profile, which is written here, and you can also open it and you can see it. They also have different resume tips, and also career tips, or also interview tips that you can visit, and also you can learn from there. So this is how the shine.com works. Very next portal is monster.com. Monster.com is one of the world's largest job search engines, and is definitely among the top job portals for young professionals in India. You can almost call it the Google of the job search world. It also has a site and an app for those who like to apply for jobs ongoing. So you can see this portal, it's very easy. You can filter it by skills, by locations, industries, and also functions, like for which function you want to apply, the various roles they have, and also if you want to apply on particular company, you can also filter that. And all if you want to search, you just have to put your skill, like if you want to search for Java developer, you just have to put Java developer, your location, for which location you want to find, an experience range, what is your total experience. If you are a fresher, you can add a 0 year of experience and search. So they have also given an option whether a candidate is affected by COVID-19 jobs, like suppose in COVID-19 a lot of people have lost their jobs, so you can just say yes or no, and according to that recruiters will contact you on priority basis. They have also given an option for work from home. You can just open from your location, and you can just find out and apply, and you can just sit back and you can work from home. So they have given very good option for this also. They also have career tips option, like resume, interviews tips, also career management tips. They have given you salary negotiation tips also, and also they have a lot of courses. You can just enroll in these courses, and also you can get the certifications. So this is how the monster.com works. Very next portal is linkedin.com. So LinkedIn is world's largest professional networking platform with 750 million registered users from around the world and across all the industries. It served as a database for open opportunities, and also a digital resume platform, and social networking platform for all in one, unlike other job websites. It allows you to add recruiters and people of interest to your virtual network. You can see, you just have to write your title for which location you are looking, and for which location and which skill you are looking for the job. Suppose I am looking for Delhi location, I have just put the search option, and these are the job opportunities that I got. If you write the skill also, according to that skills, these jobs will display, and you can just sign in, or if you are a new joiner, you can join LinkedIn account. So as I told you that it works as a digital platform, it is very important to invest your time and efforts to make sure it is detailed and accurate, because in LinkedIn, unlike in another job websites, recruiters can directly message you if they really find your profile very attractive, and maybe you can get the opportunity to join their organization. So just make sure you update your CV and your LinkedIn profile to just attract the recruiters, and maybe they can then you can apply in their organizations. So if you're a new user, you have to just put these details, and you have to join, or maybe you can join by using your Gmail ID. So these are the some portals which you can just register yourself and log in yourself, and you can find the jobs according to your will and your skills. And I also want to tell you that there are some fake agencies that just ask for OTP numbers or ask for the money, and they say that you have to pay so and so money and then we'll give you job opportunities. So I just want to aware you guys that this is a fake agency. Please don't pay any placement fees to these companies, as you will not get any job. Like, top companies never ask for any fees. And so just be aware of yourself, and all the best for your jobs. If you really like my video and find it very helpful, please just like my video and subscribe my channel. Also, you can just press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my upcoming videos.